Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video. And on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to remove Gmail account from Android device. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, open up the Gmail application. Then make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in and you land on this interface, then head over to the upper right corner. You will get your profile icon with the initial of your account name. So tap on that. Now from this drop down menu, tap on Manage Accounts on this device at the very bottom. Then you'll be taken to this interface. Here scroll down a bit and under Accounts for Owner, you will get to see all of your Google accounts that you have logged into on this device. So from there, select the account that you would like to remove. Then once you tap on that, you will get an option to remove an account. But before you remove an account, keep in mind that the auto synchronization from this account will be stopped as well. So once you're ready, tap on remove account, then again tap on remove account for the confirmation, and make sure you read this information given in this box that says removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts and other data from the phone. So with that on your mind, tap on remove account. Once you tap on there, your account will get removed from your device. And that's how you can remove Gmail account from Android device. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.